this video, we're going to make an origami which will be really enjoyable. Like this. To do this origami, we need a square paper. So first of all, you're going to wrap your paper from this line to this line. Now open it. Now wrap your paper from this line to this line. Open it and do like this. Now wrap your paper from this point to this point. Do the same process to the opposite side. Now turn your paper. Fold your paper like this, from this point to this point. Wrap your paper from this point to this point. So it will be something like that. Now wrap your paper like this, and by wrapping like this, we will form a line here, which will be like this. Do the same thing to the other side. Look, we have lines. Turn it and do the same thing to the back side of your paper. Now here is little bit complex. Put your finger inside and then compress it. So our first piece is ready. For this origami, you need approximately 50 pieces, but it may differ from the paper to paper. So now we're going to learn how to stick these pieces. Now in the middle of our origami, we have a pocket. Put this inside. Now in here we have two pockets. You can see. Put this piece to inside. Do the same thing to the opposite side. Put it. So it will be like this. Do it until you have 50 pieces. After you do approximately 50 pieces, you're going to stick them to each other. Look, we have a long chain. Put it in the middle and then put into the pockets. As you see, it is easy and it is really enjoyable. So have fun.